work from home has been quite a disruptive innovation for the Indian IT industry, at least during the COVID-19 days. I would say this is the biggest disruptive innovation since the days a few decades ago when for the first time the on-site offshore model was tested, which meant that the customer could be anywhere else in the world and employees could be in India or in any other country, and yet the work would happen seamlessly. So to that extent, it has been quite a disruptive innovation.
Companies are already planning to move part of their workforce to their homes. But the first question is, what fraction of workforce can work from home? We have calculated that. We have first figured out which are the professions that can be carried out from homes. But that's not enough. Think of an accountant. An accountant in an advertising firm can probably continue working from home. But an accountant who's employed by a steel factory needs the steel factory to be working and supply chains to be up and running to continue working as he or she would have otherwise. So what we have done is we have calculated the number of workers of each type of professions that are employed by each of the industries. This allows us to calculate the share of workers in that industry that can work from home. We assign a score called work from home potential to all the industries. So a score of 70% or 0.7 means that 70% of their workers can work from home. These industries, which has a score of 0.7 or higher, employ only 1% of India's workforce. 85% of India's workers are employed in industries where work from home capability is less than 0.4.
All this while we knew that almost 20 to 25% of workforce at any given time from IT industry work from home. So in a way, part of the workforce were used to that. But more than that, you have to understand that over the last 4 weeks, they have transitioned that to almost 90%. Now, will it be the way forward always? There are challenges attached to this. One, most of their customers are in the BFSI space, which means that there will be additional pressure related to security. So that means that there is going to be a limitation to how many people can actually work from home. But for now, that's working.